Every single year, millions of hardworking Americans sit down to do their taxes and feel the exact same thing. Confused, a little scared, and pretty sure they're either overpaying or about to get in trouble. If that's you, you're not bad with money, and you are not alone. The system was practically built to feel this way. This channel exists to fix that. Let me show you what the tax breakdown is really about. Maybe you drive for a rideshare app. Maybe you cut hair or wait tables and live on your tips. Maybe you run a small shop, freelance on the side, or you just got your very first 1099 instead of a W-2. You didn't sign up to become a tax expert, but suddenly the IRS expects you to think like one. And nobody ever handed you a manual. So you get the surprise. A tax bill you never saw coming. A form with a name you've never heard of. A refund way smaller than your coworkers. Or that quiet, nagging fear that there's a deduction sitting right there on the table. Money that is legally yours. And you're missing it, just because nobody ever explained the rules in a language you actually speak. And here's the part nobody says out loud. A lot of tax information is kept confusing on purpose. The official instructions read like they were written to be impossible. Plenty of so-called experts online bury the real answer under jargon, so you'll feel like you have to pay them. Confusion is the business model, and you are the one who ends up paying for it. The tax breakdown does the exact opposite. We take one real tax topic at a time and break it all the way down into plain English. The kind of explanation you'd get from a smart friend who happens to know taxes, not a dusty textbook. No jargon, no fear-mongering. Just, here's what it means, here's what to do about it, and here's the deadline you can't miss. And this is not guesswork from someone who skimmed one article. Every video is made by a tax accountant with over 15 years of public accounting experience, and every figure is checked against the primary source, the actual IRS forms and publications, shown right there on your screen. Real rules, straight from the real documents, explained like a human being would explain them. Because the truth is, the tax code is full of small mistakes that quietly cost regular people real money. A missed deduction, the wrong filing status, a form you never knew you needed. We hunt those down one by one, so that a 15-minute video can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. Money that belongs in your pocket, not lost to a rule you simply never saw. Now picture sitting down next tax season and actually understanding what you're looking at, knowing which deductions are truly yours, seeing the deadlines coming before they become emergencies, filing with confidence instead of crossed fingers, and keeping more of what you worked so hard to earn. That is the entire point of this channel, to move you from scared to prepared. On the channel, you'll find it all broken down. Self-employment and quarterly taxes, write-offs for gig and small business work, the brand new tax laws that actually hit your return this year, filing status, credits versus deductions, and the scary-looking IRS letters that turn out to be nothing to panic about. Short, clear, and always tied back to the real rules. So here's my one ask. If you want taxes explained in plain English, before you file, not after you've already overpaid, subscribe to the tax breakdown and tap the bell so you never miss one. It's completely free. One good tip from one video can pay you back many times over, and you will never be blindsided by your own tax return again. You work hard for your money. You deserve to understand exactly what happens to it at tax time, and to keep every single dollar the law lets you keep. That's what we do here, one breakdown at a time. So welcome in. Subscribe to the tax breakdown, and I'll see you in the very next video, where we keep more of your money right where it belongs, in your pocket.